Welcome back! I'm Alex with Hoffman Academy. Today, January 27th, 2019, we celebrate Mozart's 263rd birthday. Mozart is one of the most famous composers that has ever lived. Don't know what this big deal about Mozart is? Let's get to know him a little better. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart lived in Europe a whopping 250 years ago. But why is he still so famous? Mozart was nothing short of a musical genius. He started playing piano at age 3, attempted his first compositions at age 4, violin at 5, and playing organ by 6. Though he only lived to just under 36, he left the world volumes and volumes of music. It was said that he wrote music so fast in his head that his hand couldn't keep up. And he hardly ever made mistakes or went back to make corrections. But it isn't just the amount of music that's astonishing, it's the fact that virtually all of it is good. Like really good. And unlike other composers that might be famous for mostly their symphonies or their piano music, Mozart was prolific in all genres and for virtually every classical instrument or ensemble. All of Mozart's music that we still have today has been cataloged by what's known as Köchel Numbers. So his earliest published piece of music, which is a minuet and trio for piano, is labeled as Köchel 1 or K1, which we are listening to right now. Keep in mind, Mozart wrote this when he was only 5 years old. It's hardly believable. It's sophisticated, clean, charming, and the phrases really take you by the hand to the very end. It's difficult to find anything he wrote that isn't good. His last composition before he died was his Requiem Mass in D minor, and it is labeled K626. Mozart's Requiem is arguably one of the most powerfully emotional pieces ever written. It was written for a full orchestra and chorus, so I'll need a little help playing it. Thanks for watching. Do you have a favorite composition by Mozart, or do you want to see a video for your favorite composer? Let us know in the comments section. We bring you awesome videos and tutorials each week. Happy practicing.